Hey guys, how's it going? It's Meme Wolf here, and today it is an announcement as well as the first episode of the Arsenal Career Mode series that I will be starting on FIFA 21. It's going to be an Arsenal road to glory. Basically, the past few seasons have not been the best for Arsenal. Like the last season, they finished eighth in the league under partially under Emery, and since Arteta has come in, he has made a lot of changes and the team is looking much better now. So we are going to be starting up an Arsenal career mode. I think difficulty I'll start out with world class. Then if I get comfortable with it, I'll try legendary. If that does not work, I will move back to world class, but I'll try my best to get it to legendary and turn on the competitor mode as soon as I can. Of course, euros currency and strict transfer negotiations, international job offers off. I don't really care. And let's get on with it. I'll see you guys whenever this loading is complete. So guys, now we are in the preseason tournament screen. We have three preseason tournaments: the Champions Trophy, the South America Continental Cup, whatever, and the European Shield. So I think I'll go with this, the South America Continental Cup, as it gives the most prize money if we win and the teams are decently balanced. We should not have a hard time in this competition. Let's get on with it. Now you all would probably know the new features of FIFA 21 like the weekly schedule and development and all. I'll go through it as we progress in the episode. I'll not just dedicate this episode to that. So we'll get on with it and I'll explain it on the go. Also new this year are the training drills. Like the drills themselves are not new, but if you just train like this, I have not played any of these drills and I just simulate all of them. I get a D in all of the drills, and that is obviously very bad. This should not happen. So this year we have to play all the drills, and if we get an A or B on them, that reflects the score that we'll get in the drills when we simulate them. So I think I'll just skip through this whole preseason tournament and I'll meet you guys after this tournament is over. Now guys, we have the FA Community Shield match against Liverpool in 2 days. But before that, I want to make a signing. I want to sign someone who Arsenal were not able to sign in real life. That's this man right here, Hossein Aouar. And he's going to cost a lot, but I also have sold a lot of players. So I have a shit ton of money right now, as you will be able to see in a minute. Yeah, I have 126,000. So I can sign him. Yes, I can. I have a lot of money. I'll go. I'll try 65. Let's see if they. Okay, they want 80. In real life, they were asking for 60 for Hossein Aouar, but uh, due to the strict negotiations, he is pretty expensive for not player swap. Let's try to get him for 71. I think 71 is a fair amount. They're sticking with their price tag. And I don't think so they are going to come down from it. But still, I will try to save a few million in case I want to make signing. Or they really don't want to come down. Hey, you know what? Let's just do it. We have the money. Why not? So 80, almost 81 million for Hossein Aouar. Let's move on to the contract negotiations next. So here we are in the office with Hossein Aouar and his agent. Let's see what he will be demanding. Okay, he wants us to give him a role. I mean, I'll give him crucial. He's going to be a first team player. Next, he wants a 5-year deal. That's completely fine by me. I'm not intending to sell him anytime soon. Not even in the future. He has a huge potential. I think it's an 89 potential. Might be wrong, but it's a very high potential. It's near 89. No release clause, fine by me, and he wants to cut down on the wages. This was supposed to be strict, right? Wait, so I'll just remove his goal bonus and I'll give him exactly what he was earning in his previous club and he accepts it. This was not strict at all. The talk with the Leon representative, yeah, that was tough because they did not go down from 81, but the contract negotiations went just fine. Let's see our new guy. Yeah, here he is, Hussein Awa. Welcome to Arsenal in the game. And I I'll include him in the starting lineup. Partey will be, I think I'll make him a CDM because his defensive stats are pretty good. Guys, this is the press conference before the Liverpool game. So let's see. The press are asking me about Aouar. Is Aouar ready to make an impact? I think he is. I'm going to start him in this game. People are wondering why Bellerin is still getting picked. Is he in bad form or something? I think he's in bad form, so they're asking me this. But I'm going to play Bellerin, and I just found out that Tierney is injured for 3 months, which is a big disappointment for me. He should be back in 3 months, and I hope he's back a little sooner because I like the guy a lot. So, is Saliba ready to step up? I think he is. I'm trusting Saliba and Gabriel for the centre back positions. I think they are ready. He's got all the tools. I think they are ready. So the press conference is done. Now I'll finally see you all in the game. So Liverpool, as we know, the iconic front three: Mane, Firmino, Salah, and I don't know why they are starting Grujic or whatever his name is. I think he's in good form or something, so they are starting him. James Milner is starting. Jordan Henderson, their captain, CDM is starting. Van Dijk, Gomez in the back. Dude, Gomez is pretty fast. That's going to be a problem. Trent and Robertson and Allison in goal. This is going to be an interesting game because I've never done well against Van Dijk. Like whenever I play international matches also against Netherlands, Van Dijk destroys me. So let's see how this will go. Our team, as we know, Aubameyang, Willian, Pepe, the front three. In the middle, Aouar, Partey, and Ceballos. And the back four, Maitland-Niles, Gabriel, Saliba, Bellerin, and Leno in goal. So let's start this match. So the match has been started. Like the teams are coming in the stadium. Wembley, it's an iconic place. Arsenal have won here a lot of trophies. The FA Cup 14 times. Recently won the 14th FA Cup against Chelsea, if I'm not wrong. There's the Community Shield. Hoping to lift that trophy also. It will be a great boost. And Aouar is 18. Okay, I forgot to change that. I was going to give him number 8 and I'm going to make Ceballos 18 probably. I'll just swap the numbers around. There he is. It's his debut. And there is Thomas Partey, Arsenal's latest signing. There's the Community Shield. So the game is starting. Arsenal versus Liverpool, the match for the Community Shield. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping to get a win on this one. I think I can get a win if I play properly, which I am known for throwing a lot of games. So if I play this properly, I might do something. Pepe is through. Can I get a cross in? I got a cross in, but then there's Van Dijk. Yeah, that's the whole story. You get a cross in, there's Van Dijk, nothing happens. And Salah is through here. Mo Salah is through here. He's not offside, and they have scored. Well, this match is not going as planned. This Grujic guy has scored, and I don't know, boys. It's not looking too good for us here. I have seen the goal. Let's skip this. I thought Mo Salah was offside, so I was not saying anything. But it turns out he wasn't, and Marco Grujic has scored. I think he left on loan somewhere. This like on deadline day he did leave somewhere on loan. I don't know where. Well, it's 1-0 to Liverpool, and let's see if we can do anything here. Now trying to create something. I can see Ainsley making a run. Can we make something of this? Can we do something with this? A cross in. I cannot get a cross in. Trent intercepts it. Uh, that isn't even a corner. Wow. Wow. Okay. And I am trying to send Willian through, but he cannot get to the ball. My first match of FIFA 21 is not going too good here, Chief. And now the ball is with Pepe. Now back to Ceballos. Can I send Aubameyang through? That was my mistake. I should have not put that through ball. Now Liverpool are on the attack with Mo Salah. Ainsley trying to keep up, but it's Mo Salah. I doubt he'll do much. He stops the cross. It gets to Firmino. Firmino to Salah and Milner. Oh my God, Leno saved us, dude. Leno saving us another goal in this Community Shield matchup. Salah doing step overs and all, and Ainsley could not intercept that. Why? Or how did he not intercept that? Leno saves it again. Klopp is angry, dude. He is leading 1-0 and his team has all the shots on. I don't even think I have a shot on target yet, or a shot in general. So this is bad. Leno save it. Leno catches it, and the ball is with Hector. Hector bombing forward. Do I get a cross in? I'll get a cross. No, why are you crossing it there? Aubameyang was full clear, and I don't know where Hector was trying to shoot. I cross, sorry. I don't know where Hector was trying to cross it. Anyways, it's a corner. If can we do anything with this corner? No, we cannot do anything. The ball could not go to Aubameyang. Salah wins the header, and this is bad. Liverpool on the attack with Roberto Firmino to Salah to James Milner. Ainsley intercepts that. Nice. Back to Leno. Let's get some pressure off. Regain the shape and try to do something. And Bellerin is through here. Bellerin through. Can I cross it to Aubameyang? What? He walked. He walked through the ball. I mean, what do I say more? And we could not get the ball to Pepe. Now Liverpool have possession again. They are giving it to Mo Salah. And he's through. Maitland Niles cannot catch up to him. He did. He intercepts it. Nice one, Maitland Niles. Now Willian to Awar, Awar to Ceballos. Back to Willian. Back to Willian. Can Willian do something here? I cut inside with Willian to Ceballos. Ceballos scored. Ceballos has scored. And I would not say unlikely goal scorer. He's shushing the Liverpool fans. Nice. Not an unlikely goal scorer, but I expected someone else like Aubameyang to score. Nonetheless, great finish by Ceballos. Auba's assist. I did not think this ball would go through because I think Gomez was there and Van Dijk got absolutely done by Ceballos. Ceballos gets us a goal back. It's 1-1 and it's game on, boys. Oh, some new celebrations. This was not there in FIFA 21. That's great. They might make some substitutions as Henderson is injured. I don't know if it's a serious one or not. There he is. He assisted the goal for Ceballos. Ceballos with a great finish. It was a close range finish. So if that was like a long range finish, I bet you Allison would have saved it because he saves everything in this game. We just have a shot on target and one goal. One shot on target, one goal. Liverpool have five shots, four on target, and a goal. Okay, we need to create more chances. We need to get more shots on target. Okay, I think I need to improve my passing a lot because I'm passing it to areas where I really don't want it to go. Someone block it. Someone block it, please. Nice one. That was Saliba. I think that was a nice tackle by Saliba. Willian to Ceballos to Pepe. Pepe can make a run here. He can. He has the pace too. Cuts in but cannot get the shot of dude Robertson, and I just passed it to them. I'm low-key trash at this game. It's Thiago, that's why he's doing all the skills and stuff. Can Gabriel keep? Oh my god, that was such a good tackle. Took him out literally. And Pepe on the attack. I don't know any skills, so I'm not able to get through defenders easily. Pepe, can he cross it? I don't trust this man's right foot, so I'm not even going to try to. What? What? Foul? For what? Okay. They've brought on Fabinho for Milner. Dude, this has become even harder now. Should I make subs? I don't think so. I need to make any right now. I'm going to keep the same team for some time more, and I might bring on Torreira. And Mane is through here. Mane, oh my god, Mane is completely through. No, well, Mane has scored. It's 2-1. He just ran through my entire defense. I need to keep Bellerin back. I can't afford to have him forward now. Aubameyang can be through. Aubameyang is through. Aubameyang! No, Virgil. Oh my god, Virgil van Dijk, dude. That was a clear-cut chance. The game has ended. Unfortunately, we have lost this game 2-1. Liverpool are the Community Shield winners in this save file. And I think it was not unfortunate for us, but yeah, I think we could have won this game. Let's just get this press conference done and over with. So we are disappointed in our. It'll take us a hot second to settle in, but he'll be good for us. It was close, yeah. It was a close. We could have won this, but we didn't take our chances. Look, that Aubameyang chance could have. If I just shot near post, I bet you it would have gone in. Will you keep backing Bellerin? Yeah, I don't really have anyone else there. I only have Ainsley. Every player deserves a chance. Yeah. So, guys, I think that's going to be it for this episode. I just got through one game. I know the next episode will probably have a few more. We have Aston Villa home, Crystal Palace away, and Leicester home, and also Southampton away. I'll probably play the Leicester game. I might play the Aston Villa or the Crystal Palace game. I'll play Leicester definitely. And I think I'll also play Aston Villa because it's at home. Then the next day we have the next episode we'll have some exciting fixtures. It'll be, I think that's Braga. I don't really know. Europa League action. There will be United away from home and Liverpool at home. The third episode is going to be very lit. The second one, I don't know. There are just some small games to get through. So we'll get through them, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And yeah, see you all in the next one.